recently switched my billing address, so now I don't know if it's like working.
Let's
On
go.
what? Oh, I was gonna say.
I have not seen one submitting today.
Oh, finally.
In the chat?
It's about time.
Can we get some F's in the chat?
Oh, it's not even for me. Never mind.
Oh yeah. All right, Ethan. Now I'm gonna be extra mad today if it declines.
Now I'm mad.
Now I'm mad.
At all.
I thought you guys were getting through. Are you guys just getting
We're
payment
getting
fails?
through, but it's putting us back.
Yeah, payment fail. I mean, I got through. I got through, but like my shit was just stuck as well.
Bro, if I hear a splash noise right now on my shit, I swear to God, I'll get wet.
Throwing hands.
Oh,
Hey,
I
look.
passed. I passed again.
Hey, look, I can't cop, so I'm at least provide y'all with some content. What the fuck is up, guys? It's your boy Rob back at you with another L. Y'all out here trying to sue TikTok? That's great.
No, he's making Jesus talk.
Jesus, dog. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I think you mean.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Wow.
Oh my gosh, I'm on loading products.
Alright, what's your name is?
Review and pay. Pay.
Oh fuck, no, stop.
Let me make sure I picked up the right product. I did pick up. Nice. I'm actually passed.
Bro, you did that shit so quick.
Hit again.
Our GS
Let me
size is
know
on the
if you
12
hit
brick.
some.
I didn't
If you
check.
hit for me, Sam.
Okay.
Oh, and don't run me on finish line, by the way.
Wait,
Okay.
our GS
So,
size is a
does
brick.
he supply OOS?
Card
think
decline
so.
from Ethan.
Really?
No.
Oh man. Oh,
Submitting shipping,
jeez.
submitting order,
Oh,
submitting order.
shucks.
Bro, I just passed splash on something. I'm about to slap the shit out of somebody. I'm like soaking right now, bro.
This thing just needs to submit payment so I can fuck back. Frost, are you still stuck on submitting payment?
Yeah.
The fuck?
Product reservation has expired.
Checkout's coming.
And I was thinking about renting that too.
back.
Motherfucker.
How would checkout?
EJ, are you checking out on foot sites anymore? Okay.
What size is all?
Uh,
9.5, 10, 10.5.
Yeah.
Not gonna be much left, bro. Frosty, have you seen Polaris's checkout monitor?
Yeah.
It's going insane.
Out of stock.